Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I tried another nail hack, and I got 4.5 inches of nail from it. If you guys want to see how I did all of that, keep on watching. So in today's video, I'll be using paper towel to get some long nails. Yes, you can use paper towels. And if basically at this point, you can use anything to create fake nails. You can use plastic, you can use wax paper, you can use normal printing paper, anything you want to use to get nails. So first, you want to get the paper towel or any form of paper towel that you're using, paper that you're using. Then you will cut the paper into small rectangles to fit your nail size. So you're going to do this just as if you are applying a regular nail tip. So if the tip is too large for the nail, you have to groom it to fit the nail. So we're going to do all of that. So we want it to match correctly to the nail. So originally I was planning on doing the entire hand. Time was against me and I had to do this one extra fingernail. I mean, it was fun, but at the same time it was so time consuming because the filing time took like half an hour, and you know, it was a bit painful filing the nail too. I don't know if I'll ever go back. I don't know. I mean, I can't shape the nails more this time if I decided to do that hack ever again. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, where I take my hands and make fashion. I love DIY nail hacks. I love them. I love experimenting. I love all the above. So if you are new, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss an upload from more, because I'll be uploading twice a week, which sounds very ideal. So I like to think things through. I like to come up with a more easier way to doing these type of DIYs. So I have tips and tricks on how to get, you know, wearable nails from these household items. So there are two ways of applying the paper to your nail. I mean, one, you can apply like regular tips, and then you can follow through the steps that I am about to give. Now, because the paper towel usually absorb liquid, it won't want a wet, heavy product. In order to create a strong enough surface for the product to go on it, I am going to apply some glue. Glues are your best friends within these hacks. They are lifesavers. So ensure that you have glue, or you can have gel top coat, gel base coat, whichever you wish to use, or you just can use foam. I did a hack on my channel. I did a few of them before, but I did one recent and I used a nail foam to create that. I think that was the brush bristles. It is the brush bristles that I used to create my nails, so you guys can check that out. So I'll apply the glue all over to stiffen the paper so I can have a surface to work on. So after the application is done, you want to start molding the paper. I was showing you guys how I was molding the paper to a certain extent. You start molding the paper so you can get that natural C curve. So naturally our nails have a C curve in it, so I want to achieve a natural C curve. I don't know if I followed through, but I was trying. So you guys have to be careful because it can get pretty sticky, and you know it's glue, and I think I was working with super glue, and I'm not sure which glue I was using, and you know how that can get. So be very careful, just so you know you guys were warned. And then we will wait on the glue to completely dry. So you will mold the paper in such a way that it's easy to apply to your nail. So I applied to the pinky nail, and then I did the other step where I apply the paper towel like a nail tip, a regular nail tip, and then I applied the glue, then I mold the nail. So guys,
and
So I mean, both steps work for me very ideally. Nothing, was wrong besides the fact that when I decided to do my blending work, it started, it literally broke off. Yo, at this point, I was done. I was like, is there any other option? Then I proceeded to do where I glue it like a regular tip, and then I applied the glue, and then I mold the tip. So as I had said previously, that time was against me, so I had to cut things short. Did a 4.5 inch long nail for you guys. I went all out, and it was fun. It was fun, but yeah, it was challenging. So if you're going to do my step where I kind of apply the glue to the paper towel and then apply it to my nail, I suggest to you guys, don't apply so much pressure when you're doing your blending work with the natural nail. Don't apply, because that paper is going to break. So I wasn't going for anything too extra in this nail, because obviously this nail was already 4.5 inches long. So I was trying to tone down things where I did a nude and white ombre, and then I had some shutter glass, then I had some glitter at the end. Nothing too extra. I mean, the nail was just right. I think this is my ideal nail for a wedding, but it's not the long nail, obviously. Then I attempt to draw some flowers to the nail, which I'm proud of. Like, you will not catch me dead doing nail things like this. And then I add some studs to the nail to give it some oomph to it. So it wasn't all that extra. Well, thank you guys so very much for watching my videos. I hope you learned from them. Um, because I had great fun doing this. I always have great fun doing the nail tips. So if you find this type of video informative, go ahead and hit that like button, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any upload from more, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos that I'll be uploading on my channel. Bye.